Alright, so sorry for the mess, but it's still a work in progress. The panels are still dirty. I have some old seat covers that I've done to it. The TPMS sensors, I'm waiting for them to arrive. I need to order them. Well, I have ordered them and I'm waiting for them to arrive, but in the meantime, I got a crazy deal on the TikTok shop. So check this out. This thing right here. This right here is a TPMS sensor that I have installed on each tire, and it tells me the pressure on each tire. I just got the right rear fixed, so I need to just top it off and make sure it's up to specs. So I still have the check engine light on. I'm gonna let you guys know about that later. TPMS, I'm waiting for the TPMS. ABS, I have the sensors, which is the ABS sensors I need to replace, but that's it for that. Almost done. Steering wheel, I got the steering wheel cover, the Sport Edition steering wheel cover, okay? And then I got a touchscreen radio that came with the car, actually, with CarPlay capability. And I have this CarPlay USB plugged into it, and that's how it works. Watch. I'm gonna show you, right? I disconnect this USB, and that's what the radio looks like. It is kind of dusty. And this is what happens. I plug it in. Okay, into the USB. It could be a USB of your car, any car that you have, and the light turns on. And then if you have an icon right here but you can't click it, when you plug that USB in, the icon's going to turn green and you'll be able to do it. It's going to connect to your existing phone, and voila, there you go. So here you can browse your favorite songs, right? So you can go phone calls, Apple Music, Pandora, Spotify, Google Maps, Chick-fil-A. I don't know why that pops up there. Pops up right there. I guess I have it on my phone. Calendar, settings, etc. So it is pretty legit.